Yes. Yes. Good morning, everyone, and I welcome you all in the class of mathematics for class 7th. And today I'm going to explain this chapter, properties of triangles, where we will study this topic, exterior angle property of a triangle, and it is second video for this week. Okay, so in this topic we are seeing the topic here, exterior angle property of triangle. So what this property, how we can define? You see that if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, that means the sum of two opposite interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle. So what is exterior angle? First of all, that by this diagram you can see that when any one side is extended here, if this one side, you can see this side is extended here, if any one side is extended, then there one external angle creates, it is created there. Okay, whenever one side you will extend, then there one external angle will be created, and that external angle will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Here in this diagram only you can see the angle A and angle B are the interior opposite angles, and angle D is exterior angle. This angle D is exterior angle, and the angle which is in touch of exterior angle, that means this angle, it is adjacent angle. So one of the interior angle is adjacent, and the other two angles, that means angle A and angle B, these are opposite interior angles. So what this property is telling us, that if you will add the sum, if you will add the interior opposite angles, then you will get the angle equals to the exterior angle. So this way we can say that angle D equals to angle A plus angle B. Okay, students. Now we can prove it like this. With this diagram you can see angle 1, angle 2, angle A is angle 1, okay, angle B is angle 2, and angle C is 3, interior angle I'm saying, and this angle 4 is exterior angle 4. Angle ACD is angle 4 here. Okay, this angle ACD is angle 4. So we can say that in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree by this property, angle sum property of triangle. Then angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 by linear pair, because this angle 3 and angle 4 are adjacent angles where the vertex C is common and the side CA is the common side, and the two non-common arms are opposite rays. CB and CD are the two non-common arms, CB and CD. They are going opposite only, so they are linear pair. This also we can say that angle 3 and angle 4 are making two straight lines. These angle 3 and angle 4 are making one straight line BCD. Okay, together they are making one straight line BCD. That means it is a linear pair. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. So both are 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also 180, and this angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 180. So we can equate the LHS part of both the equations. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now on both the sides angle 3 is written, so this you can cut. Angle 3 and angle 3 we can cut, or we can cancel that. So the remaining parts are equal. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So this way you can prove angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. That means two interior angles sum, angle 1 and angle 2, is equals to the measurement of angle 4, which is exterior angle, angle ACD. Okay, so now in this triangle question you see, in the given figure find the measure of angle ACD, where angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 45 degree. So simply for finding this exterior angle ACD, you will add this 70 plus 45, because they are interior opposite angle. So 70 plus 45 means the angle ACD is 115 degree. Means this angle will come 115 degree. Okay, so this will come 115 degree. Like this we can say that in this solution We know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, sum of its interior opposite angle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So angle ACD is equals to, this angle ACD is equals to ABC plus BAC. That means this angle B and angle A. Okay, so 45 plus 70 means it is 115 degree. Okay, so by using this exterior angle property, you can find this angle ACD. Now in this second question, in the given figure, find the value of x and y, where x and y are two interior angle, and this time this exterior angle is given. Exterior angle is 130 degree. It is given here. So you will write what in this solution, that we know that an exterior angle, this exterior angle property you will repeat here, that we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Then angle ABC plus angle BAC equals to ACD. Means this angle B plus angle A is equals to angle ACD, external angle this ACD, which is 130. So that will be this only. So 70 plus x. In equation no need to write the degree here, so I am not mentioning. If you are mentioning here degree, then also no problem. But if you are mentioning the degree with any one angle, then other angles also you should write. Okay, but variables we are avoiding for writing the degree. Variable we will write only x. Okay, but if any numerical value it is known that it is in degree, 70 degree, then you should write that. Okay, but here I am not written the degree because all the numbers only I am writing. The angle measurement value only. In equation, that is not mandatory, that is not necessary to write the degree here. So 70 plus x equals to 130, then x you will keep on left on, and 70 you take on RHS side, then this will be what? X equals to 130 minus 70. That means x equals to 60, which tells us that angle BAC, this angle BAC is equals to x degree, means it is 60 degree, because x value is 60 here. Then, and x is only angle A, so angle A is 60 degree. Angle A we have got. Now you have to find the value of angle Y. So by the property that angle sum property of triangle, sum of all the three angles is 180 degree, and the two angles you are knowing, that means angle B is 70, and just now you have got angle A is 60. So angle A 60, angle B 70, then third angle you can find, angle C. Third angle C is Y. Okay, that is 70 plus 60, it is 130. Then the third angle will be 50 degree, 130 plus 50. This you can do. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C gives 180 by this property, angle sum property of triangle. This you can say. Now, therefore this 60 plus 70, 60 it is measurement of angle A. Angle B is 70 degree here, and angle C is Y. It is given in figure. Angle C is showing that Y. So 60 plus 70 plus Y is 180. Then solve this equation. 60 plus 70 here 130 plus Y is 180. 130 you have to take on RHS side. Then 180 minus 130 is equals to Y. That is equals to Y degree. Okay, so Y value is 50 degree. That means interior angle C is 50 degree. So this way all the angles you have got, and you have to find the value of X and Y only in this question. Where X we have got 60 degree here, and Y we have got 50 degree here. Okay, now in third question it is also similar. It is an exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree, and its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the angles of the triangle. Okay, so that you will do this. Look at here. The diagram is this only, that interior opposite angles you can take 2x and 3x. It is ratio is given 2:3. Then you can take the angles 2x degree and 3x degree. And exterior angle is 110 degree. It is given here. Okay. Then let the interior opposite angles are 2x degree and 3x degree. Then according to the property, you will write the property here, that by the exterior angle property, the sum of interior angles, sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to the measurement of exterior angle. Then this 2x plus 3x is 5x degree is equals to 110. Then what you will do? That means this x equals to 22 degree here. Okay. then you can find one by one. 2x equals to 2 into 22 means 44, and 3x is 3 into 22 means 66 degree. Okay, so these two interior angles you have found. Now just like previous question, the third angle you can find this angle C by the angle sum property of triangle. That means two angles are 44 and 66. So 44 and 66, it is total sum is 110. Okay, so the third angle will be 70 degree, angle C. This way also you can find, and here linear pair also you can use that example. This is 110, then this will be 70 only, because these two angles are making the linear pair. Interior angle C and exterior angle C, they are making the linear pair here. Okay, that means ACD and ACB are, these two angles are the linear pair of angles. Okay, so this angle I am saying ACB and ACD, which is 110. These two angles are linear pairs. So this way you can find that the ACB is 70 degree. Means this angle measurement is 70 degree. That you will write. Okay students. So thank you all of you. That's all for today's class.